For some people, their car is like a second home. So just like your home, it needs to be cleaned. And dust is hard to get rid of. Get this 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. It not only cleans but will also inflate your tires. Now isn't that amazing? Using the vacuum cleaner is very easy. Step 1. Start the vehicle. The vacuum cleaner is automobile powered. Step 2. Plug the vacuum cleaner. Plug the vacuum cleaner into the cigarette lighter socket to power it. Step 3. Switch on the vacuum cleaner. Slide the button on top to vacuum mode. Use it to clean the seats and foot mats. You can also use the crevice tool to reach areas that are difficult to access. A clean car smells good too. Oh, and yes, this is a 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. And the second part is tire inflation. Step 4. Connect the inflator hose. Tire inflator hose is at the back compartment of the product. Just connect it to the tire valve. Step 5. Switch on the inflator. Slide the button to the inflator mode to inflate your tires. The digital display will help you check the pressure. Refer to your car manual or the sticker on the door edge to know the right pressure. It's a small and lightweight product that's easy to carry. And now it's time for recap. To get the best of the car accessories, go to shop.cardekho.com. And for everything else related to car, visit CarDekho.com.